Hey guys, we're going to talk you through the tiers, just so when you're choosing an appointment, you know exactly who you're getting and you can pick the person that attains to what you need. So you'll notice that our next generation program is the bottom, and they're the ones that are the newest to our team. So they've gone through all the training. Sometimes they're actually still finishing their qualifications. Some of them are actually already finished, but they're just honing their craft in terms of the stuff that we've taught them about our signature bodywork and all the principles and concepts that make MMT what it is. So they're just trying to get bums on seats. They're doing amazing work, and it is probably the best deal in the whole industry, isn't it? You know, that price point for what you're actually getting. So yeah, if you're looking for a discounted session, they're definitely your go-to. After that, once people come off that next gen program, they enter what's called the fully qualified bridging program. So they're just more experienced than the newcomers. So they've generally got like roughly a year under their belt, Ninj. Yeah.
6 months to a year.
6 months to a year. So they're just a little bit more experienced at our concepts. And then the mark to get to the fully qualified platform is generally 1,000 customers that they've actually treated. So the people on the fully qualified program, they've done a lot of work honing their craft, and they fully understand and grasp the principles of what it is to treat at MMT. Above the fully qualified bridging tier, you'll notice that we have an experienced and a senior tier. So the experienced guys generally have been within our ranks for 5 years, and are generally clinic owners too. So they know this stuff kind of better than most. And then on the senior tier at the moment, it's Ninja and myself. So yeah, well, I guess we've been here the longest. Ninja's been doing this stuff over 20 years. So if you have a bit of a complex case, or you did want to kind of receive the treatment from people that have been doing it the longest, we're here for you too. So hopefully that kind of answers any questions you've got regarding the tiers, and there's a spot for you wherever you fit. You know, if you've got a complex case, go see someone more experienced. If you just want to get our signature bodywork at a discounted rate, the next gens are there for you too. So hopefully that explains it, Ninj.
Yeah, and
any more to add?
Yeah, look through the profiles of the people, and look at the videos of them treating, and see who resonates with you. You know, because there's somebody for everybody. So yeah, you've got to tune into yourself and see who seems like the right fit for you.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Happy booking.